Hadien balami gajing persak bajur na kilai kan hon, kentup ya kan nehu ta, nehu su, ban nehun sa. Hakabede bagajing tungkam yo Rohit Prasad, kum consultant of School of Technology. Nakaliang vice chancellor kan nehu, uprabhasan kar Shukla, ulo ai gajing pensai pa iba ling bagi lat patai kubor, dapat kentai i kita gajing persak. Vice chancellor ke school ba nehu haba pensai banyak halor kane, hakajing keduk bagi lat patai kubor, haka sautrik unai wing aja fulai. Ulong maka jing tungkam yo Rohit Prasad kadai bet kat kum ka kendon kariti trekam jong nehu. Ba ulong ru ka jing dawal weng kam jong kita ikan hun yo Rohit kam long satya ka basong nia.
That's why we clearly mention and read the powers of the Vice Chancellor with this act. Everything already clarified. And everything is already mentioned in this is not my voice. Already clearly read the powers of the Vice Chancellor which is already mentioned in the act of the name. This is not my wording. This is a wording of the second, the Vice Chancellor may, if he is of opinion that immediate action is necessary, that's why I raised this question in the Academic Council. This is not a decision of only the Academic Council. This is only the Vice Chancellor. This is a decision of the Executive Council. Taken the approval from the, already showed the paper, taken the approval from the Academic Council. Taken the approval from the Executive Council. And after taking the approval, then Vice Chancellor taken decision. Directly, this is not a decision of the only the Vice Chancellor. Like all of you know, Vice Chancellor is the executive authority of the university. No, in the interest of the university, that why it has been already mentioned here. Take a decision. And the work performed by the Mr. Rohit Prasad is already visible in front of the media and also in front of the student. He is not going to even. As I feel, he indicated that if Vice Chancellor is not going to do as directed by the Nehuda, he can also behave like that with the Vice Chancellor. This is my feeling. This is my feeling. But I have taken a decision now to appoint the Rohit Prasad now. Under the rules, under the norms, under the rules, I am ready to take the decision. But without any kind of allegations, how I can remove them? Even Nehu Prasad, he is also very afraid and already moved from the campus of the Nehu. If he is not ready to come back, definitely I can say our students will be there. Any officer can terminate anyone immediately. I am saying to you immediately terminate. Can any administration do this without any allegation? He is not also raising any kind of allegation, just saying immediately terminate the Rohit Prasad. But there may be some allegation, no? I already even showed the things what already did by the Rohit Prasad. Without any allegation, any paper, any proof, how any administrator or any person are in position to terminate anyone, either contractual or the regular. But there is a procedure, no? Yes, if you have any allegation, you can raise the allegation. We will constitute a committee. Accordingly, I am ready to take the decision to terminate the Nehu Prasad also. Our students will be the sufferer. That's why I am not in favor of any organization who is opposing the Academic Council. As you already know, which is already 31st. Held on the 31st of the October. Again, I'm always ready to discuss anything. I don't have any kind of wish to discuss anyone. But if they are going to raise or fix any kind of a compulsion, if you are not going to do this, I'm not going to discuss with you. This should should not be, no, conversation should be the continue between the जो है administrator and any जो है organizations. Just like another thing would like to mention, you just see the language were mentioned and written by the president of the जो है teachers association. This should be the language. Hi, the Nauta EC is not keen to meet the BC anymore on this issue. This is the main of the Nauta. This should not be. Maybe there are some differences between the organization and this one. Come forward, sit together and discuss the matter on the basis of the Act, Statute and regulations. Yes, I am also agree. If I am even not in position to take the suggestion, definitely ready to take the help from the teachers and also the non-teaching staffs. But first come forward, discuss on the matter and take a or help to take a amicable decision in the favor of our young generation. This is my objective, and continuously every day all of you are witness, even you can say, expending more than 10 hours in my office to retain and regain the past glory